1 Minute Danish Lesson 3.
Hello and welcome again to 1 Minute Danish, where you can learn Danish 1 minute at a time with me, Karen. We're going to be talking about language today. You'll learn how to say that you speak a little Danish. My guess is that everyone you speak to will be very impressed with your skills, and remember that a little language goes a long way. The clock is ticking, so let's get learning. Your 1 minute language lesson starts now. The word for Danish in Danish is dansk. Let's repeat that. Dansk. Now it's important that you know this word well for this lesson because we'll be using it quite a bit. Try saying it again. Dansk. To say that you speak Danish, you say, Jeg taler dansk. Listen again. Jeg taler dansk. One more time. Jeg taler dansk. We're going to add to this a little. Perhaps it is safer to say, I speak a little Danish. The word for a little is lidt. So putting this together with jeg taler dansk, you would say, jeg taler lidt dansk. Listen to this again, it's quite tricky. Jeg taler lidt dansk. Excellent. Try it one more time. Jeg taler lidt dansk. Time is up, but I'm sure that the new phrases you've learned today will go down well with any Danish-speaking friends or business colleagues you meet. Today we learned a little. If you'd like a little more from 1 Minute Danish, you can purchase the premium version of this course, which includes an enhanced podcast version and a PDF lesson guide to help you learn a little more Danish. You can find out lots more on www.oneminute.languages.com. That's all for today. Tak skal du have, og farvel.
This is a production of the Radiolingua Network. Find out more at radiolingua.com.